Are you ready to unleash your creativity and bring your woodworking dreams to life? Introducing TedsWoodworking, the ultimate woodworking resource with over 16,000 plans. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, TedsWoodworking has you covered. With detailed schematics, blueprints, and step-by-step instructions, you'll have everything you need to start your project with confidence. No more searching for the right tools or wasting time on inaccurate plans. TedsWoodworking provides you with a complete list of materials and tools for each project. The clear and concise instructions make it easy for anyone to master woodworking techniques and skills. And here's the best part. TedsWoodworking includes instructional videos to guide you through building benches, furniture, doghouses, bird feeders, sheds, and much more. When you join TedsWoodworking, you'll also get lifetime access to a wealth of knowledge. Plus, there are no additional charges for the extra bonuses. Gain even more woodworking expertise with the Art of Woodworking guide. It's a full-color, 440-page resource covering everything from essential tools to sanding and finishing. Ted McGrath, a seasoned woodworker with over 36 years of experience, has poured his knowledge into TedsWoodworking, ensuring you get the best guidance. So, if you're ready to embark on your woodworking journey, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. TedsWoodworking is the game changer you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description to access TedsWoodworking and start crafting your dreams today. Remember, this isn't something you should use. It's something you'd be insane not to use. Subscribe now for more woodworking inspiration and tips.